Hi everybody, I'm going to show you a little trick on how to change the amount of slides that are visible in a template. First of all, let me just show you this template in a preview page. And as you can see here, let me just change the background to make this look a little bit nicer. Okay, and I'll just change the height here to 250. Okay, 250. So as you can see here, there's 3 slides. And if I change this to 1200, it's 2 slides. It's 4 slides. And I change this to 970. It's 3 slides. Still 4 slides. And let me change this to 560. It's still 4 slides. So as it gets smaller and smaller, it's still showing 4 slides. So we want to change that to, let's see, 300. Let's see how many slides in 300. Okay, 300 is good. 450. 2 slides. 600. Yeah, so this is where it's too cramped. So between the 700. So let's just go into the creative. And I'm going to go here and I'm going to modify the template. In your case, you might not have access to modify the template. You could just edit your creative. And so it looks like someone else is in here, so I'm not going to save it. But if I go to the actual carousel itself and I click on that, you can see that's where you can set the slides. So you see here for the 970, I actually have 4 slides. And then if I shrink this down at the next breakpoint, so if I go to the fluid 250 format and I look at 970 by 250 and I look at the 768 by 250, I just go here and then change that to 3 slides like that, and now you'd have 3 slides at that breakpoint. So you just go in. So there's a carousel container that has the buttons, and then there's the actual carousel, and then in there is where you can actually do it. And in this case here, because it's a dynamic, we've set up a templated slide that actually pulls in the content from a Google Sheet. So that's how you change the amount of slides that you need, by going into the carousel and then editing this. And you can see here, you can set the size, the spacing, as well as you can have it loop, you can have it autoplay for animation, and that's how you edit your carousel. Well, thank you very much.